Suzhou Pharma machinery successfully completed the after-sales service for a 1,800 square meter cleanroom project. This cleanroom project was specially designed for a pharmaceutical factory in Africa. In this area, we have cumulatively advanced 3 cleanroom projects, which are currently in different stages of completion delivery, half-built construction, and implementation startup. Each success is the result of our accumulated rich experience and precise control in multiple fields. In this project, we have always regarded details as the core. Particularly noteworthy is that we provide customers with ample spare part support, including all small screws, fasteners, and other consumables, which are all prepared in sufficient quantities as needed. During the on-site construction process, the collaboration with local workers was smooth and efficient, which was attributed to the meticulous and comprehensive design concept we had in place beforehand. The environmental conditions at the project site were quite challenging, with muddy roads and a humid and hot climate. However, our team, leveraging their rich on-site experience, calmly addressed the challenges and ensured that the work progress was not disrupted.